Hey YouTube, welcome back.
We finished up bean harvest yesterday.
I had to get out of here in a hurry, so I left everything sit. We're going to go ahead and get the head unhooked, get it back to the shop.
This might have been the last time I used this head, hopefully. Jacoby's is supposed to be getting in another 40 footer, and we're probably going to take it. So we're going to get this one back, and once we get done picking corn, we'll get it washed up and see what we're going to do with it. So
right now we're gonna go ahead and get unhooked and get it back. Well, we got the bean head back and we came on up. We're gonna go ahead and move some combine so we can get rolling in corn. I'm folding this head up and I'm gonna move his dad's combine. They're unhooking my head and they're gonna move it. So Eric's gonna follow me with the grain cart to where dad's going. So we're gonna get folded up here and head on down the road. Well, we've got combines moved. We got the auger set up here.
got the drive over pit set up here.
Dad's already picking, so I don't know if I'm gonna pick today. We're gonna try and knock out that farm where he's at. So I'm gonna run a truck out, and I might be trucking today. We'll try and get some drone footage while we're out there, so let's get out there. Well, looks like we're gonna be grain carting today, and that'll work too. I'll take it. I don't get the grain cart very much, but I don't mind doing it. So while we're out here, we'll see. Like I said, we'll see if we can get some drone footage today. So we'll get to picking. should have enough here to fill a truck, so we're gonna head up and get dumped off here. Eric should be here now also with another truck, so we should get this truck loaded and he can head on with it. Josh already headed on with the other truck, so keep this stuff moving.
Make sure you close those doors on that grain bin.
10-4. Well, we got a little bit of drone footage. I haven't used it for a few weeks, so I didn't charge the batteries up all the way, and they've kind of started dying down a little bit, so we'll use what we got. So we're out here picking. So there was loading one truck. We're not loading them very heavy at all. We're leaving them untarped, and we're just we're leaving them untarped, and we're just hauling to the bin. Sorry, I got a text message I was reading there, and we didn't want to fill them very full for that reason. So we're gonna head back out here. Dad's probably waiting now after I got that truck loaded. So I'm gonna head back out here to him and get another load. And we have one more empty truck sitting up there, so we'll try and get it full before somebody gets back to grab it. It shouldn't be a problem. And finish this field up. There's not a whole lot left, so we're probably 3/4 done with it. Well, I'm gonna run a truck back. We're almost done over here. Dad's gonna finish topping me off here. And I'm gonna catch a ride back out here so we can get everything moved back. Well, we made it back out to the field. Dad was already finished, so we folded the head up. We're gonna run it back to the shop tonight. And Eric's gonna drive the grain cart back. Josh is gonna take it semi back. So we need some fuel, we need some def. Probably do that in the morning and get back after it. Hey, Wednesday morning here. We're getting combines moved. So last night I was kind of doing a little bit of research here, and I put this media mod thing on my GoPro, and I didn't realize it only had a front microphone. So I wasn't aware that if I turned the camera around, you all couldn't hear me as well, so I apologize for that. I'll try and make sure the audio here is a little bit better going forward. So we're getting combines moved. We fueled up this morning, got def, set the auger, and we're headed to the field. We're gonna run 2 combines today, so we're gonna get moved, start picking. Well, we got 2 small fields picked here, and we started in the bigger field. I got my combine full. Dad's picking his full right now. This truck's loaded. So we're picking fast enough now to where we're catching up to the trucks. So me and Josh are both gonna go back. He's gonna dump this truck, and I'm gonna grab the grain cart and bring it out here. So we got all of our fields done on this side of the creek. There's 1 field left over on the other side of the creek, and it's hard to get to without taking off a head for corn. So Dad folded his up, he went over there, and since I'm out of the combine now, I'm gonna grain cart. So we got our first load here. We're dumping on the truck from over there. It's a pretty sketchy crossing, so we're only putting 2 dumps on this grain cart and bringing it across. So it'll take 2 trips across to fill up these trucks, but take a little bit of time, but we'll get it. Well, when he was picking here, he had a spring brake that runs a tensioner on this belt that keeps all the chaff off the side of the combine up here around the radiator. So I'm trying to rig something up. I don't know if y'all can see this loose belt right here. So tensioner's on the back side of that pulley, or it's actually up there. So we're gonna try and get a tarp strap on it and hold it to something. We don't have much left here. Well, we got him going again. We only have like 3 acres to finish up on this farm, so that's probably all we'll get through tonight. And then in the morning, we'll go grab some parts for that and get it fixed correctly. So we've always had issues out of that little vacuum there on the side, so maybe this will be the full fix for it. Moving. Well, we ended up moving to another about 20-acre farm, and we're probably 3/4 done with it. So after this, it will definitely be our last move here for the night, and then we should be down to about 200 acres left. So be nice to get finished up. We got about 2 acres here left. Then we'll be done for the night. So get this wrapped up. Be down to our last 200 acres. Well, we're headed home here for the night. Kind of figured up some acres with Dad. We're down to probably 240, 250. I was a little off. We're not gonna be able to knock all that out right away though. We have 1 grain bin that we had that crew take the floor out of a few videos back. We're gonna move it still before we finish up, and we're gonna fill it still with corn. with everything that's here around my dad's house and my house, so we'll still have to do that. So we're still a little ways off from finishing, but I'm excited to see that grain bin get moved. So we're probably gonna call tomorrow and get a crane ordered, see whenever they can get here, and we'll have to stop picking while we do that. But that'll probably do it for this video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See y'all in the next one.